In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. So let's get started. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, we have this simply click on system, and that we have to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on other troubleshooters. Now here we can find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button to run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So run this network and internet troubleshooter. Once done, you have to restart your Windows once you've done the troubleshooting step. Then, right-click at the Start button, and here you have to select Device Manager. Once you open the Device Manager window, you have to simply locate Network Adapters. Once you find network adapters, locate your network adapter, make a right-click, select Update Driver, browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, simply choose the latest driver, which is the very first option, and click on Next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and then close this window. And just restart your Windows once. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. We also need to make sure that the network adapter is not disabled. So press Windows key and R, type ncpa.cpl, hit enter or click OK. Locate your network adapter or your Wi-Fi. Make a right click. If this is disabled, right click, select enable. If this is enabled, right click, select disable, and then make a right click, select enable. That will fix the issue for you. You will see that from here. Okay, Wi-Fi is showing again on your Windows, and you will be connected to your network connection. For the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, click on network and internet. Scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Here you'll find network reset. Click on that and click on the reset now button. Click on yes. This will also restart your Windows. So make sure you remember your connection password, and that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.